Good evening, everybody. It is your baby boomer Kitty Lane from the Peninsula in Virginia, back with another Create and Relate. Y'all, got a couple of things to show you today. First of all, health update. I do feel a little bit better. I'm still a little loopy and I'm still having the leg weakness, but I got dressed today in hopes that it will help me feel better. I've been sleeping a lot today, but I guess rest is very important. I am still drinking my water, and what I do is get a bottle and put 4 drops of peppermint in it. Let me turn this down. Okay, it was a Green Mile kind of evening, so I was looking at the Green Mile. So I am drinking peppermint water, and I have only crocheted a little bit. Last night I tried, but I couldn't get very much going. But just to give you an update, here is the snake that's caught up. I'm just waiting for color number 3. This was 1 and 2. And then this was the purple variegated, or the purple ombre and lilac. I have started, I don't consider myself caught up on this one yet because I still have to add the red. Technically, I'm caught up because I have the blue and the white. I have the sky blue and the white. And red is my base color. But I do want to add those 3 rows of red. This, of course, is the cow. And I guess you can tell, that's why I want to do that one, so you can tell the base color. The base color is buff, and I have the black and red already done. Then we have, I forgot what I call this one. Did I leave it at just Granny Square? Or did I give it a name? Okay, I left it at Granny Square. But I think I want to give it a name. I do. Because, and I want to name it after someone, because she's very sweet, very present. Most of the time will keep me reminded of what's going on. She will check in on me, and you know, from day one that we met, she's been there, and I appreciate her. So I want to call this Granna Lanna, because Lanna is the best. Quite a few of you are. Just hold on, I got you. But Lanna is amazing, and I appreciate her. So I really wanted to call this Granna Lanna. And then I have the Show Striper. I love this one so much because of the sparkly yarn. All of my colors are sparkly except the gray and pink variegated. So I don't know where it's going to come up in the draw, but it'll be the only one that's not sparkly. The others, I don't know if you can see them or not. That might show it to you. They have the sparklies in them. But other than that, everything is acrylic. Everything that I'm using is either Karen 1 pound, Big Twist, and Mainstay. Okay. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 6 was supposed to be amigurumi. I'm learning, as much as I enjoy doing the ones that I'm doing, that it's really not my niche. It's not. I love seeing it. I love trying it, but it's more frustrating for me than it is pleasurable. Not to say I will never do any more, because I am currently trying to create my own doll baby. But started this one. It's a lot like the show striper. The show striper is done in X's and bobbles. This one is all X's. Okay? I call it cross eyes. And then I started another one. So this is number 7. This is what I wanted. Number 7. And I have not added my second color. I am not caught up on this one. This one I tried to start last night and realized I was making a bunch of mistakes. And I still have to go back and take it loose, because this one is supposed to be bobbles. This one is supposed to be bobbles only. And that is the perfect segue into why it's supposed to be bobbles. And I think I'm going to leave these actually and go from here with the bobbles, because I really thought that the bobbles alone were going to be too much. So this is actually perfect. I'm going to let this stay. I am going to make my white in X's, and then my last 3 in X's. But when I start the next color, which is yellow actually, it's going to be with bobbles, and it'll be bobbles all the way until I get to the last 3. And I am renaming it. I was going to call it Bobblehead, but I'm not. I got some Happy Mail today, and the bobbles would be perfect because they remind you of like little stones or little crystals. They remind you of little pebbles, which is, like I said, a perfect segue into Happy Mail. Guys, the mail that I got today, I guess you all can tell I'm not really accustomed to Happy Mail. I can probably count on one hand the Happy Mail I've received. But this is absolutely amazing. When I got it and I opened the box, I was like, oh my God! Yo. It's a poncho. It's a fleece-lined poncho. But wait. This too is a poncho. Now I can't hold this one all the way up. Reason being, the front is much longer than the back. And this fits perfectly. The other one fits me perfectly. It does. It fits me perfectly. But this one, this one fits over me and my scooter. That's what I was making Red Riding Hood for. Pebbles, you are amazing. You are absolutely amazing. Thank you so much. It's water resistant, so it's perfect to protect me and my scooter when it's raining, because the biggest thing is my control panel and the little motor that's up front, and this part covers all of that, and If I have to travel in the rain, I have my poncho. I'm thankful. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. So, being that everything was named, I'm going to go ahead and I'm not going to tell y'all where that one is going until I do the tutorial for it. And after the tutorial, then I'll let you know where the turtleneck, the green turtleneck poncho is going. I can tell you part of the name is Meadows, but yeah, that's what it's going to be. I was hoping it wasn't going to flip out, and it did. I'm closing the ad. Thank you. Okay, guys, I am not going to hold you long. I've tried not to do that a lot here lately, depending on how I feel. And won't be tonight. Tomorrow I may go live a little while, and we'll just enjoy each other's company while crocheting. And get up in the morning and get my bingo fix. And yeah, I love you guys. Just don't forget to love yourselves, because self-love is the greatest love of all, and you can't love others the way they deserve to be loved unless you first love yourself the way you deserve to be loved, and you deserve the best. Remember, Kitty Lane told you. So until we see each other again on these YouTube streets,